Now, something that the guys at Porsche said when I was asking about that little valve, said, when was the last time you changed your oil filter housing? I said, as far as I know, it's never been changed. And they said you should change it because there is a valve in the end that's known to fail. And that's just a pressure relief valve. So sometimes you get like a, yeah, they said if your oil filter looks like it's a bit crushed, like it's been sucked in, yeah, definitely change it, and you should be changing it every couple of years anyway. So this is a new one, again, from Porsche. Part numbers, I'll put those part numbers in the description, but they were going to swap that out at the same time, and new filter as well. So pretty much doing an oil change, even though we just did one fairly recently. But yeah, we're just not draining too much oil. So I got my oil filter wrench. It is a Ryco RTS 208, size is 4720. Makes it a lot easier because when I first got in the car, someone had gorilla hands cranked on this thing. You only torque it to, I think it's 25 newton meters. It says on there on the filter housing. So yeah, you can at least put this on the 25 newton meters to tighten them back up. So you can put them on your torque wrench and get it to the right specifications. So we'll just remove as per usual. And it's always a good idea to have a little inspection of your oil filter. You know, if you got chunks in there, it'll can tell you what's going on with your engine. All right, we'll just pop that back in here and have a look. Okay, with both the filters out, first thing I noticed, like, so we're talking about the housing here. We've got different part numbers on these housings. So 996, 107, 120, 54. And that new one says male, but it also has up the top, that is the Porsche original equipment stamp. And I did get this from my Porsche dealer. The Porsche part number on it is, where'd it go? PB. So yeah, very different. Made in Austria. So that means it's Porsche, but it's also made by those guys. So I don't know. Anyway, I got it from Porsche. Even it comes with a filter, and the filter has a Porsche part number on it as well. So yeah, maybe worth upgrading yours on your next oil change for it. It's cheap, and I'll put the part numbers in the description. And I'll even show you, in case you're thinking I bought an aftermarket one. Reach. That's the box it came in from my dealer. So yeah, there's the part number there. Yeah, different part number, 996, 107, 2055, 996, 12054. So different part numbers. Looking inside these as well. So this is the one I've just got, and there's a little, I guess that's the little valve in there. The oil filter goes in and actually pushes on it. The one I had on the car, it's full of oil now, but it's got little kind of 3 little teeth there, but nothing for it does not sit on it in any way. Just kind of covers it, that's all. So yeah, wondering about that. Interesting. I've just drained the oil out of the old housing there. That's pretty much it. And you can see in the bottom, yeah, definitely no valve, and it's got those 3 little things there. So don't know if it's broken off at one time, something like that. But next time you're doing your oil change, yeah, swap that over. You see that's got the original Porsche part logo up the top above the 25 Newton meters too. So yeah, something maybe you're not getting the filtration you're supposed to have. The bypass valve might not be working, or in this case, it doesn't look like it even exists. And yeah, just get your car running the best it's going to run. Now, we weren't going to do a massive full oil change, but well, we're going to now. And a little bit of inspection on my filter, and there's nothing at all, which is good. I see some guys cut them open, but this is a pretty low kilometer car. IMS bearing has been done on it already, and it's a 2004, so it's the 3 guides on the chain versus the 5, and it's less prone to wearing those chain guides. So anyway, clean up, everything's torqued down. It's a 25 Newton meters in oil pan. We've also just done the oil pressure relief valve and updated that, so you can see the other video on that. And we're ready to top it up. So what do we have to top it up? I have Mobile One, $5.50, and it looks like I don't have enough. So off to the shops I go to get some more.